a spring-like weather in the way of sunshine and also high temperatures. On Sunday at Aboyne in Aberdeenshire, we got up to 16 Celsius, and also further south in Europe it was pretty hot. Carcassonne in southern France up to 24 Celsius, a new record high for this time of the year. Now it's going to turn less warm over many parts of Europe, particularly in central areas as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, but still that warm weather hanging over southern Iberia in towards the Mediterranean. So a fair amount of sunshine in the western part of Iberia and western part of Mediterranean and over towards the east, but in between we will see some showers and also the odd thunderstorm, and still a lot of cloud as we head further north with some outbreaks of rain. Certainly a much cloudier picture across the country today compared to yesterday. We've been seeing that cloud rolling in from the northwest, but it has had some holes in it over parts of southern England up through Wales and into parts of Northern Ireland. But that cloud is linked to that frontal system, which will be making its way further southwards as we go through the next 24 hours. And certainly it is a cloudy scene currently across Manchester, but further south where we have got those gaps in the cloud, we are seeing some brighter weather here across the London skyline. So the brightness will continue along the south coast and into southeastern parts of England for a while this afternoon. Elsewhere in England and Wales, a fair amount of cloud around, but essentially dry. Thicker cloud over Northern Ireland and Scotland, though, will bring more persistent rain as we go through the latter part of the afternoon. And it's all ahead of this cold front here, so it does mean mild conditions right across the country, although not as warm as yesterday, still up to around 14 or 15, particularly in that brighter weather in the southeast. So during the early part of tonight, that cold front, along with its band of cloud and rain, will be making its way southwards, reaching central areas by the end of the night. And to the north of it, we're going to see clearer weather come in, but also some wintry showers coming into parts of northern Scotland, and the wind increasing too. But in those clearer skies, we are going to see a touch of frost over Highland Scotland. Well, as we go through into tomorrow, we'll see that cold front line through the English Channel, and then we'll see a run of west to northwesterly winds coming in, bringing much brighter and fresher weather. And certainly we'll see that across Scotland and Northern Ireland in the morning, and it'll be pushing the cloud and rain further south into the English Channel as we head in towards the afternoon. Certainly temperatures not as high as today, but we're still looking at around 10 to 12 Celsius in that brighter, fresher weather, but very windy with some wintry showers and cool in the far north. Bye-bye for now.